Hey team, let's skip the weekly meeting. I've created a helpful video that will save us time and keep us on the same page. First, let's go through some quick updates. Please share your wins and challenges in the comments. Make a list of the things you've accomplished and share any blockers. Next, let's dive into some interesting ideas I've come across. Check out the article below for the latest market insights. What do you think? Can we find a way to utilize it? As you all know, our primary focus right now is expanding our reach. Last week, we managed to double it, which is a significant achievement. This week we are experimenting with Twitter, creating new articles for the blog and refactoring website. Let's keep up the momentum. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. I believe that using new formats can help us become more creative.